All right, y'all, today's workout's gonna focus on shadowboxing and HIIT with some leg work focused centrally. And also, make sure you warmed up before you do this. Let's get it going. Starting off with the jab, jab, jab. Again, jab, jab. Step forward with that jab. There you go. Give me some movement. Don't stand in the same spot. Look at that two. That's a cross. Cross. Bring it across your body, just like that. You want to sit a little bit on that. You don't want to lean forward on it. You want to be a little bit more in the middle. Okay? So focus on that. Focus on turning. There you go. Let's put them together. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Jab, cross. Let's do 2 of them. There you go. Yeah, high knees. Just bring your knees up as much as you can. Put your hands here, high knees. 10 seconds. All right, we're gonna go into a 1, 2, 3. That's a jab, cross, hook. Hook. When you hook, I want you to, almost like you're stirring a pie. Okay? Let's get the hook down first. First 10 seconds. Hook, hook, hook. Notice how I'm bringing that arm out. Okay? Look at that. I'm gonna do a jab, cross, hook. 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 Now we're gonna go into some jumping jacks. Get that heart rate higher. Let's go. Breathe out your mouth. We're gonna do a 4-punch combination. It's gonna be a jab, cross, hook, cross. Okay? So what we just did, we're just gonna add a cross at the end, okay? Jab, cross, hook, cross. Let's go. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Jab, cross, hook, cross. Breathe out when you punch. Pretend you're fighting somebody. Switch stances. All right, pulse squats. If you can't pulse, just do a regular squat. You go down and come back up. 1. Take a look. All right, now we're gonna get into a 5-3-2. That's uppercut, uppercut, lead hook, 2. Same thing you throw uppercut with, you throw a hook with. Okay? Uppercut, hook, 2. Uppercut, hook, cross. Uppercut, hook, cross. Uppercut, hook, cross. Being more aggressive with it. Pretend something there. There you go. I'm gonna switch. For the uppercut with them legs. Upper 3, 2. Up, 3, 2. Upper, 4. Now we're gonna get into some jump lunges or alternating lunges. You'll see. This is a lunge. Okay. I'm gonna alternate, make it faster. All right, we're gonna end this one, which is lightning punches, which is just a jab cross. And we're throwing some hooks in there. If I say 2, throw 2 hooks. If I say 4, throw 4 hooks and get back to it. Let's go. 2. 2. 2. 4. 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Come on, let's burn out. All right, jump squats. If you can't jump, just squat. 1. Come on. All right, nice. Good job, good job. Listen, I lost 5 pounds over the last month just doing these workouts, mixing it also with weight training and heavy bag work. You guys can lose weight too, especially that belly fat. Get ready for the summer. Anyway, you can do this again, or you can try my other video where I'm actually hitting a heavy bag if you got a bag to hit. Either way, thank you guys for coming. Peace.